welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jazzy, and if you're a returning viewer, thanks for tuning in for another video. In this video, I'll be reviewing this wig I recently picked up from lacewigsbuy.com, and let me tell you guys, I have been through a lot with this unit, but in a good way, and I want to come on here and share with you guys how I colored this hair, how I cut this hair, some styles I've been wearing with this unit. So yeah, if you guys are interested in all that good stuff, make sure you stay tuned for the video. But before I go ahead and jump right in, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. It would really warm my heart to have one more subscriber, as we're so close to hitting 50,000 subscribers. So make sure you're subscribed to this channel and go ahead and hit that notification bell, so every time I upload a video, you won't miss out on any of my content. Alright, without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. So the unit that I'm currently wearing is from lacewigsbuy.com, and this is their 22-inch silky straight 360 100% Indian Remy hair unit. I know it's a lot, but it is so worth it. This hair is so bomb. This is actually the first time I've tried Indian hair, and let me tell you guys, if you have not tried different types of hair, when I say types, I mean Brazilian, Peruvian, Malaysian, Indian, and there's so much more, Russian. Like, there's so many types of hair that you can really try, but I typically like to stay with the most popular kinds and what I like works best for me. And I like Peruvian hair, you guys know that here on my channel, but I do like to step out of my own comfort zone and try different types of hair so I can review it for you guys, and that's what we're doing today. So today I have a review for this Indian hair. So I'm not sure if this is Indian textured hair or if this is just the hair from the Lace Wigs Buy website, because again, this is my first time trying Indian textured hair out in general. But if I had to describe the texture of Indian hair, I would say it's a very nice hybrid between Malaysian hair and Peruvian hair. So if you're familiar with hair textures, Peruvian is more silky, it's so straight, it's very easy to work with, it holds styles really easy, but the longer the bundles get, the heavier the hair weighs it down. So if you're trying to like have a curly hairstyle, it typically won't last long because the hair is so silky. Now Malaysian hair is almost like Brazilian hair, but it's more manageable. It definitely does have a lot more texture to it. It holds styles very nicely. It doesn't poof up when it hits humidity like Brazilian hair does. I have noticed Brazilian hair is like the worst when it comes to hot climates, but Malaysian hair is pretty good. It's like a mild version of Brazilian hair in my opinion, and I feel like this Indian hair is the perfect mix between Malaysian and Peruvian, because this hair feels so thick, it feels so dense. Let me tell you guys, when I first created this unit, after I colored it and I actually did a braid out on it, I wanted to wear some really cute crinkles, and they turned out really good, but the hair was just so thick I could not even wear the style. I couldn't even enjoy it, and that's what prompted me to go ahead and cut the hair. So the hair feels really smooth, but you can definitely tell that there's a lot of strands. It definitely feels super thick. It is so dense. If I had to put a density level on this unit, I would say it would be at 200% dense or 180% density. So that's how dense this unit was. I was plucking for about 2.5 hours, pulling hair off of the hairline, off of the part where I currently have it, and just all throughout the frontal area, because I wanted to make sure whatever hairstyle I wanted to wear this unit using, because this unit is bomb. The color turned out fabulous. So I wanted to make sure that the unit was going to lay flat, because I'm not really into thick hair. As you guys know, my hair is very fine. There's a difference between having fine hair and thin hair, and so yeah, my hair is very fine. So with me feeling this hair, it feels so thick. It honestly feels like my mom's hair, and my mom's hair is just so gorgeous. So I really love the way this unit turned out. Once I seen the color and I seen how dense the unit was, I knew right then and there I was gonna have to cut some layers up in this unit, girl, because 22 inches of 200% dense hair in the hot summer was just, it was not about to happen. And I really did like the way this color turned out. So if you guys are interested to learn how I colored this unit, I will have a tutorial I previously did on how to color hair from black to burgundy without bleach. So that's what I did to color the hair, and I also went ahead and I added in some red highlights. And basically once the hair was coated for the burgundy using the L'Oreal L'Oreal High Colors. I rinsed it out and I let the hair air dry. I went ahead and I took regular bleach with regular developer, and I went ahead and I made some highlights at the ends of the hair. And I really want to tell you guys, when I went ahead and cut this hair, it really made a difference on how well you're able to see the color now, because when the hair was just so long and it was just so flat, it was very hard to see that the hair was burgundy with red highlight. But now that I have these long, sexy face framing layers, I mean, like, yes, this wig is just so sexy to me. It is so gorgeous. I want to go ahead and show you guys the layers. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and I cut the hair to frame my face. So this way it kind of gives that illusion that the hair is longer than what it is, but it eliminates some of that heavy density that the hair had to begin with, but it doesn't cut off too much of the length. So yeah, it looks so good to me. It turned out super duper bomb, and honestly, I love the way that the hair performs. Now, will Indian texture be like my go-to texture? I'm not too sure, because I am still playing around with this unit. I have washed it around 3 times, and every time that I've washed and styled this unit, I always feel like there's product left in the hair, but I'm still adjusting to how dense the hair is and how thick each strand itself is, because that's not something that I typically experience, especially when I'm doing my real hair and then going straight to Peruvian texture. So yeah, if you're someone who likes a thicker texture, or if you're someone who wants your units to replicate your real hair on a better scale, better than like the Peruvian texture, then this would definitely be a texture for you. I definitely think Indian is a happy medium between silky straight and super duper poofy thick coarse hair. I think it is perfect, and I honestly feel like the styles that I've been wearing on this hair has been holding up a lot better than what they would using straight Peruvian hair, but it's not as coarse as it would be if I was just using like Malaysian or Brazilian hair, if that makes any sense. Another thing I wanted to share with you guys is this unit was actually custom made. It took 5 days for them to create the unit after I went ahead and purchased it. Now, I did want to share with you guys a little bit of a pet peeve that I had on the website, which was so freaking frustrating, is when I first initially seen this unit, I'll go ahead and insert a picture of the unit from the website so you guys will be able to see. It looks so bomb. The colors look like they would fit my skin complexion perfectly. It definitely looks like something that I would be into trying out. But when I went to go ahead and make that selection on the website, it told me that it would take them an additional 28 days for them to deliver that specific hair color. And I thought that was so crazy, because that was the hair that they were promoting for their picture. So yeah, I just felt like they should have had it in stock if that was what they were gonna be promoting. But to be honest with you guys, I love the way the unit turned out with me coloring it, because honestly, I would have never thought that I would enjoy a burgundy unit with red highlights. Like, that just sounds so crazy. That just sounds like it's gonna look a hot mess, but it really works. It works so well. So again, I will have that video where I showed you guys how to color the hair from black to burgundy without using any bleach down in the description box, as well as in the card section above right now. So if you guys are interested, make sure you check it out. And if you guys want to see a video on how to add layers into your units, make sure you guys let me know down in the comment section below, because it is extremely hot for you to be wearing extremely long bundles, especially if you want the length. So you can definitely remove some of that heavy weight without actually like compromising the length itself. And I would love to do a video showing you guys how to, you know, add some layers into your units, but just let me know if you guys are interested. And that pretty much wraps up this video. If you guys want to check out the wig down in the description box, I will have the direct link to their website, so this way you don't have to go searching, because they do have a lot of wigs at a lot of good deals. The wig that I got was 50% off. It wound up coming to like $288, and they have really affordable units, so make sure you guys check them out, and I will catch you guys in my next video.